Welcome back to the Rich Mindset Tower. In our last lesson, we built a strong mental foundation. Now, it's time to lay our first brick and build our first layer of protection. The emergency fund. Life is full of surprises. A car breaks down, a pet gets sick, or you lose your job. These unexpected events can feel like a sudden storm heading your way. Without a financial shield, that storm can force you to use a credit card and go into debt, undoing all your hard work. That's where an emergency fund comes in. It's a special savings account that acts as a shield, protecting you from life's financial storms. This money is for one thing and one thing only: emergencies. It's not for a vacation or a new video game. It's for peace of mind. So, how do you build this shield? We recommend starting with a goal of $1,000. This is your starter emergency fund, designed to handle most small surprises. Once you have that, your next goal is to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This includes your rent, groceries, and bills. Everything you need to survive if your income stopped. To get there, you need a method. Here are 3 you can choose from. Method 1. Pay yourself first. This is the most powerful method. Every time you get paid, before you pay a single bill or buy a single coffee, you automatically transfer a fixed amount of money to your emergency fund. It could be $25, $50, or even just $10. By paying yourself first, you guarantee your financial future is prioritized, and the fund grows without you even having to think about it. Method 2. The 52-week challenge. This is a fun, gamified way to save. You start by saving $1 in week 1, $2 in week 2, and so on, until you save $52 in the final week. You'll end up with a little over $1,300, which is a great start to your emergency fund. Method 3. The 30-day rule. This method helps you curb impulse spending while boosting your savings. When you want to buy something that isn't a necessity, wait 30 days. After that month is up, if you still want the item, you can buy it. But chances are, you'll realize you didn't need it. Take the money you would have spent and put it directly into your emergency fund instead. Where should you keep this money? It should be in a separate, easily accessible savings account, not in your checking account. This keeps the money safe and prevents you from accidentally spending it. Look for a high-yield savings account to earn a little extra money on top of what you save. Building an emergency fund might not be the most exciting financial task, but it's one of the most important. It's the brick that gives you confidence and a feeling of security. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a clear plan for your emergency fund, and you'll be ready for whatever comes your way. In our next lesson, we'll create a budget blueprint. We'll show you how to give your money a job so it works for you. Make sure you don't miss it by subscribing to the Rich Mindset YouTube page. See you next time.